Hello guys, in this video I want to show you real quick how you can configure VS Code extension for Prancer IaC security scanning. First of all, you need to log into your tenant in Prancer cloud and then generate an API token. So I've logged in here. I will click on this guy, click on user access token, and here I can generate a new token. So I will click on the new token. I will give it a name. For example, I can put like VS Code extension or something that I can realize later. You have to copy this one and keep that because this is the only time that you get this token here. After generating the token, I switch to the VS Code extension. And in VS Code extension, I can go to the marketplace and search for the Prancer extension. For example, here I search for Prancer and it shows Prancer extension, static code analysis for IaC. I can click on install and it installs the extension. To configure the extension, you can click on this gear and go to the extension settings. It asks you some questions here. What's the name of your company? For example, I put Likover here. The token that you've just generated, I will copy the token here. And also the URL, default URL for our application is portal.prancer.io. There is one configuration for Terraform. You can checkmark this one, and when you checkmark, it means if you have multiple Terraform codes in the same directory, you treat them as one Terraform plan and one Terraform deployment. But if you uncheck this one, individual files will be in effect. So when you enter this information, you can save it and then close the configuration. For example, here let's create a new Terraform file. For example, S3 bucket I want to create. I give it a name s3.tf, and then I will copy something from HashiCorp website right here and then save the code. So when you're saving the code on the output, you can see the Prancer is running, and also you see the problems that we found in the code. For example, this S3 bucket, the logging is not enabled, the versioning is disabled, the ACL is too permissive, or other stuff. And you can also remediate from this interface. So whenever you click in your code, you can click on this bubble. And for example, let's say I want to enable the versioning. So when you click on this versioning, it automatically enables the versioning for you. You can save the code. It runs Prancer IaC scan on your code again, and then shows you the new vulnerabilities in the code. For example, here the S3 bucket versioning is fixed and other items are showing up here. So this is like a quick demo how to use VS Code extension. Please start using that and send us the feedback, and you can secure your IaC code right away by using the VS Code extension from Prancer. Thank you.